Here is how you can reset your password on the My Bayshore Care app. Open the app on your mobile device, tap on the Login button. Tap on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address that you used to register for the app. Tap on Send Temporary Password button. You will see a confirmation on the screen. You will receive an email with a temporary password. Open the Reset Password email and tap on the Reset Password link provided. You will be directed to the My Bayshore Care app, where you can enter a new password. The password should have at least 8 characters, with 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 number or special character. Re-enter the same password to confirm. Tap on the Save Password button, which will take you back to the login page. Use your email and the new password you just created to log in to the My Bayshore Care app. If you are experiencing any difficulty resetting your password or any other technical issues, please contact us at digitalappsupport@bayshore.ca.